Welcome to Learn About Law. My name is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law, and today we're going to answer the question, when does child support end in Iowa? Let's first talk about ages at which child support will generally end, and then we'll talk about other circumstances that can cause child support to end early. First, the general rule is that child support ends when the child turns age 18, but there are several exceptions. The first exception, and most common, is if the child is still in high school or a high school equivalent when he or she turns 18, then the child support will continue until the child finishes high school or the child turns 19, whichever happens first. So 18 is the baseline, but it can continue through the end of high school. Unless the child turns 19 and is still in high school, then it'll terminate when the child turns 19. Another exception is that if the child has a disability, the child support may continue indefinitely. Child support is mandatory until the child ages out of it, like we just talked about. But it may be, the courts have discretion to award child support for post-high school education, whether that be college or trade school. So you're not automatically going to have your child support end after high school finishes. That's when the mandatory child support ends. The court may, in its discretion, require you to continue to pay child support or allow you to receive child support, depending on which end you are on, after high school. And that really depends on what the child's plans for education are and the financial resources of the parents. There are other circumstances where child support can end early. One is if the child becomes legally emancipated. Another is if the child gets married before turning 18. And a third is if paternity is disestablished. If your spouse gets married, that does not generally terminate child support. So we've talked about the court having discretion to award child support for payment of post-high school education. Now, this will generally terminate either according to the language in the court order or when the child completes the college education or post-high school education. So if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below this post at learn-about-law.com or below the video on our YouTube station. If you need some help, give us a call at 630-324-6666. That's 630-324-6666. We have several geographic locations for your convenience, and we offer free consultations in many areas of law. If you found this helpful, we'd love it if you'd subscribe to us on YouTube, SoundCloud, Apple Podcasts, or wherever you listen to your podcasts or watch your videos. Thank you so much for watching and listening.
Thanks so much for watching our video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Click the subscribe button for new videos every week, and download and review us on iTunes. Visit learn-about-law.com for other legal-related articles and videos. Visit our business podcast and video blog, seizeyourbusiness.com, and visit Making Real Estate Fun for real estate videos and podcasts. Call us at 630-324-6666 for a free consultation.